On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
What's up, Minitruck? Got about 6-7 inches of snow. You want to play, don't you? I did buy a cover, but I didn't put it on. I was going to cover that because I got to take the other Fiero out of there. Put Mini in the garage. 6 inches.
That's what she said.
Let's hope you start. Put an electric fuel pump and a little tiny primer. Pump it up. Pull the choke. Hit the primer quick. Let's see. Oh yeah, I tapped that primer. It fired right up. Yeah, put an electric fuel pump there. Teed off here. Put a solenoid. And I put a little tiny jet, like a 35, tapped into this fitting, and I ran it into a vacuum line. Of course, you guys know the carburetor's up here. It's got to draw through the supercharger, down all the way back up. It's like over 2 feet. So that's why it's always hard starting. Let it warm up a bit. I miss you, Minnie. So much other stuff going on. I haven't had a chance to play with you in a while. It's supposed to snow till noon, so might get a couple more inches. Put you in low. Let's go, Minnie. Haven't been around the trails in a while. Oh, it's a little snotty. Diff lock time. Huh. Why didn't diff lock work? Some slick stuff. Woo! It's not over there. Come on, Minnie. There. Wow, this stuff is snotty, boy. Very snotty. Get some speed up for this hill. Well, if we're gonna make this, I don't think so. Wow. Woohoo! Minitruck don't play around. Got them wheels spinning. Oh, got a pretty good sized tree down there. Wow. It is slick. Oh, that's completely overgrown. Not sure it's too smart to go back there. Never been one to do what you're supposed to do, right? Holy cow. Jeez. Woo! Oh my God. We're not tree hopping today, are we, Minnie? Problem is, there's really hasn't frozen the ground yet, so there's a ton of mud, as you'll see right here. Yeah. Woo! Minnie still got it. See if we can make it up these hills now. I gotta learn not to keep anything on the dash. Yeah. I lubed it up a little. Maybe it's working now. Let's see. Oh yeah. It pulled in. It might be working now. I'm gonna lube it up a little more. It might have been frozen. Old PD blaster. See if that diff lock's working now. At least it's moving. Oh yeah, they're locked now. It's just a little slow. Working. It's a little frozen, or lack of lube. I plowed all this. I didn't have to do it again. Got like another 3 inches. Let's try that same spot. Diff lock is on. I didn't bring my 360 cam to show from the outside, but let's see. It's definitely working now. Oh yeah, it's working, boys. There, Minnie. Yeah, that one's not spinning. Now they're both spinning. never realized that would be exposed to the elements like it is. Make sure we turn it to recirculate so the mice don't come in. You done good, Mini. You done good.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.